Okay, so I am Anushka and I am COVID positive right now. Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. And I'm sure you'll not have a bad time here because I post about anything and everything, and I'm sure you'll have a great time. So do not resist yourself from subscribing and ringing that bell icon, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I am Anushka and I am COVID positive right now. It is my 11th day and I am fine. Like, I'm doing much better. I am like 70% fine now. I just need thoda sa rest because honestly, as of now, I get tired so easily. I just spoke this introduction for like 30 seconds and इसमें को सांस चढ़ रहा है. Okay, so I keep on talking in this video about my experience, and also I'm going to do some makeup because I really need it. It is 2 AM right now और मेरी sleep cycle बिल्कुल बिगड़ चुकी है. Okay, so I'm starting off with this Acne Moist. This is a moisturizer that I'm going to use for my face. So I came back from Ludhiana on 18th of April and I was there for a work trip. उसके बाद 20th को I started getting symptoms. तो मुझे my symptoms were starting में throat pain. मुझे बहुत throat pain हो रहा था, इतना ज़्यादा कि मुझसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा था. Then I isolated myself 20th को, and 21st को I got myself tested और 22nd को I got my report और उसके अंदर मैं positive थी. So basically मैं 20th से room में हूँ isolated. Now I'm going in with my concealer. This is for my eyelids. First 2-3 days were like I was so vulnerable at that time. मुझे सब लोग चाहिए थे अपने आसपास and I had nobody at that time. थ्रोट पेन के साथ साथ और सिम्टम्स थे मेरे बॉडी पेन, एज आई टोल्ड यू. और क्या थे मेरे सिम्टम्स, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर नाउ. तो आई हैड रियली बैड कफ. एक बार छिड़ती थी ना तो वो आधे घंटे तक तो चलती थी. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो हैड फीवर. तो माई फीवर वॉज लाइक 1-2 दिन के लिए 100-101 टाइप्स फीवर था मेरा. स्टार्टिंग विद दिस लाइक रियली डार्क पर्पल शेड राइट हियर. So with my eyes, I'm just dabbing this dark purple shade on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Light purple shade as my transition color. So I am going to put this glitter shade right in the middle जहाँ पे जगह बची हुई है. So there's this CT value आपके कोविड रिपोर्ट पे. सो RT-PCR टेस्ट होता है आपके कोविड का. सो दैट इज जस्ट 1 टेस्ट जिससे आप पता चलेगा कि आपका कोविड आपको है या नहीं है. एंड माई CT वैल्यू वॉज 34 विच वॉज लाइक रियली माइल्ड. वाई? बिकॉज अगर आपका CT वैल्यू 40 है देन यू आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी परफेक्टली फाइन कोविड नेगेटिव. तो मेरा तो ऑलरेडी बहुत ही ज़्यादा था कोविड वैल्यू, और जितना ज़्यादा है उतना अच्छा होता है, उतने कम सिम्टम्स आते हैं. आई हैव पीपल अराउंड मी जिनका CT वैल्यू हैज़ गॉन as down as 16, which is horrible. Perfect. Now I'm going in with the same brush जो कि मैंने transition shade के लिए लिया था, just to blend everything nicely. Okay, so I'll do the second eye off camera and I'll be back. I am back with the second eye as well. Now I'll be doing the eyeliner. I'm going in with this silver liner. This is by Miss Claire and this is the pearl eyeliner. Oh man, it looks so pretty. Now I have to do the second eye and I'll just do it and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes now, like almost done with the eyes. Okay, so now I'm going in with this Kryolan Professional primer. Going in with my stippling brush with my primer. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer these days, that is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade. What is the shade? I'll mention everything in the description box below. So I'm just going in my under eyes because becar sleeping pattern and all of my acne and scars and Now comes blending. This is my very fresh PAC ka beauty blender. Like, I washed it and it feels so good. Okay, so now I'm done with the concealer. Now I'm going in with foundation. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 128. That is my shade. So again, just blend it, just dab it, and do not drag the product on the face. So I'm done. Okay. Now I will just pack my base with the compact. I am going in with MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC40. This is my shade and I'm using a powder brush and I'm just packing it under my eyes and using the rest of the brush all over my face. That's it. Easy peasy. So for my brows, I'm going in with Europe Girl Eyebrow Definer in the shade Dark Brown, Beach Wala. And if you don't have an eyebrow definer, it's completely fine because you can use any dark brown shade on your eyebrows. For that, I'm going in with this angular brush and a spoolie to brush off my eyebrows. So now, let us get back to the COVID thing. So I've told you my symptoms. I didn't have a very serious COVID and I recovered very jaldi. So firstly, drink lots and lots of warm water. By warm water, I literally mean garam pani. Take a lot of steam. मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला steam ले लो. Then do gargles रात में सोने से पहले सुबह उठ के गरम पानी में just put थोड़ा सा नमक and हल्दी थोड़ा सा and do that gargles thing. उससे भी काफी अच्छा लगता है. And what you can do is sleep बहुत सारा. And for those of you who are wondering कि यार ये रूम में बैठ के 11 दिन से अभी तक कितनी खुश है, that because I have engaged myself completely in these 11 days. मैंने एक बार भी ऐसे मतलब मैंने वैसे तो बहुत बार सोचा कि मैं बोर हो रही हूँ लेकिन I used to watch Netflix, I used to sleep, I used to be on my phone, on my Instagram, on YouTube. I edited 2 videos, my Sikkim vlog. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. I'm sure you love it. So I was doing all of that, and then in my free time I also used to do my mandala art. Now if you don't know what mandala art is, I've made a whole video on that. Mention the link in the description box below so you can go and check that out. The best tip that I can give you is do not think about COVID कि आपको कोविड है, शिट मुझे क्यों हो गया और किसी को क्यों नहीं हुआ. डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट दैट. अब हो गया तो हो गया ना, यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव एंड डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट इतना ज़्यादा एंड एंगेज योर सेल्फ इन अदर एक्टिविटीज एंड ईट गुड एंड स्लीप. और आप सोचो कि आपको बहुत सही हो गया कि आपको सोने को मिलेगा इतना सारा और आपको कोई कुछ कह भी नहीं सकता है, कोई डांट नहीं सकता सोने के लिए. अनदर टिप दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू इज फाइंड दैट वन थिंग इन योर लाइफ. It can be a person, it can be a thing, it can be a hobby, it can be anything basically. So just find that thing or talk to that person or do that thing, do that hobby ताकि you feel at peace, you feel at calm. You have to find your calmness, otherwise आप crazy हो जाओगे. Trust me. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows now. Now I'm going on to my face to do a little bit of contour with my Wet n Wild Mega Contour Palette जो कि टूट गई है, मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. This shade, bronzer shade, contour shade. So I'm just contouring my face. I'm not a very big fan of heavy contouring. I just like very mild contouring. It's time for blush in color. This is the Take Me Home palette in the number 1. This has amazing 5 blush shades. So it has all the pinks and peaches and everything that you want in a blush palette. And I'm going to go in with the peach shade because I'm a very big fan of peach blushes. If you don't know abhi tak. Now on to my favorite part, that is highlighter, and I'm going in with the very famous and very used palette, that is the Maybelline Master Chrome palette. Now with a very small brush, I'm going in the inner corners of my eyes. Done with highlighting as well. Now I'm just left with lipstick. But before that, I just want to tell you, if you have COVID, you do not need to worry. You are lucky to have some time to yourself. Just think about this. Stay positive, do not stay negative. आपको सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं कि आपको क्या हो गया तो हो गया, ठीक है? तो be positive, do things that you wanted to do for a long time but you couldn't because you couldn't take out time for yourself and for the hobbies that you wanted to do, or talk to somebody you always wanted to. Just enjoy these 14 days. I am not sure you'll be able to enjoy the first 4-5 days, but after that the things get better and eventually you'll feel much better. Just have good diet, sleep and enjoy. I'm going in with MAC Meher because I think it'll look pretty with this look. It looks nice. Last step is under eye shading, and I am not a very big fan of under eye shading honestly. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे dark circle बहुत ज़्यादा है. But I'm going all purple in this look, so I'm not going to miss that. I'm taking that light purple shade and gently putting it under my eyes. I also have to do mascara. And this is Maybelline ka Total Temptation mascara, and I really want to try L'Oreal ka Lash Paradise mascara because I've heard amazing reviews about that. So this eye is done. I'm just going to apply mascara on this eye and I'm coming back. Okay, so this is the final look. I also changed the lipstick to a very peachy shade because I was not liking pink with purple. This lip shade is the Lakme Absolute in the shade Peach Rose, and I'm like really a fan of this lipstick. Okay, so this was the video. I hope you like it. I hope you got to know some things about COVID. Honestly, in all of this negativity, I didn't want to tell you about all of the negative stuff, but just take care and stay home and stay safe and just do something that makes you happy and makes you calm. That's it. That is all that I want to say to you right now. So enjoy your life and enjoy staying at home with the family.